My name is Sarah Jane Haney, and this is my Module 3 Leadership Style and Ethics video. My leadership style. After completing the leadership style quiz, I determined I have a diplomatic leadership style. According to Murphy, this means that I value deep personal relationships with employees, focus on maintaining peace in a positive environment, and I focus less on challenging others and more on putting others in a position to be successful. My leadership characteristics. I also completed the Leadership Compass self-assessment, which I scored the highest in South Empathy. The characteristics I felt most related to me in this resource includes 1. Understanding that people need information to act. 2. Integrating others' input. 3. Being feeling-based. 4. Focusing on the present. And 5. Using professional relationships. Some more of my leadership characteristics. In Tracy's article, additional characteristics and qualities of good leaders were mentioned. Some of these characteristics that related to me include 1. Integrity, being honest and truthful. 2. Humility, being strong and decisive but humble. 3. Strategic planning, looking ahead and anticipating trends. 4. Cooperation, pulling people together. And 5. Being a strong communicator. My leadership traits. According to Aguilera, one trait that makes an individual a great school leader includes having emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is something that I believe I have. I am good at understanding and managing my emotions as well as helping others understand and manage their emotions. Some characteristics of those who are emotionally intelligent include being calm, empathetic, and able to deal with conflict well. These are characteristics I see within myself as an educator. Another trait Aguilera mentioned was being a visionary. A visionary leader is someone who is clear about what they believe and knows it is best for all aspects of a child's learning. This is also a trait I feel I have and would be highlighted when I am a school leader. Ethics and leadership. According to Horton, ethics are principles, values, and beliefs defining right and wrong. Horton also mentioned that ethical leaders understand the importance of positive relationships and that they are key for the success of all organizational efforts. It is important that school leaders have strong ethics because it means that the leader is providing consistency when approaching ethical issues and are upholding the mission and values of the organization. I believe ethics is the foundation of a successful leader, and it is also something that I believe is a quality I have and would make a priority as a school leader. I make ethical decisions daily and use my values and beliefs to make the best decisions for myself and my students. Leadership theories. Christianity 9.5 shared 10 different leadership theories. The 2 leadership theories that I believe to be the most true include the situational leadership theory and the transformational leadership theory. The situational leadership theory focuses on how a leader must adapt to the environment they lead in. The transformational leadership theory focuses on the importance of forming trusting relationships with employees. Listening to the different theories showed me that these 2 share qualities that are directly related to my leadership style and qualities. Leadership qualities to improve. When I completed the Leadership Compass self-assessment, I determined that I had a South Empathy style. While I shared the positive qualities that come along with this style, there are also some areas in which I can work on and improve. Be the Change Consulting shared that those who have a South Empathy style may lose focus on goals when needs of others are being compromised. They may have trouble saying no and internalize this difficulty. All of these qualities I see within myself and continue to work on daily. This self-assessment gave me clarity about my strengths and weaknesses as a South Empathy leader. Standard correlation. My assignment demonstrated correlation to the standard selected by providing me the opportunity to reflect on how I model ethical behavior and cultivate ethical behavior in others. I also was able to apply the knowledge I learned through the readings to understand and reflect on my ethical practices and leadership style. Relevant. This assignment is relevant to my current learning because as a future leader, I need to be aware of my own leadership style and the qualities, traits, and characteristics that I encompass as a leader. This assignment improved my understanding of the content covered because the readings provided me the opportunity to reflect on my leadership style and my experience with other leaders and their qualities, traits, and characteristics. Reflection. This assignment will influence the decisions I make as a future leader because I am more aware of the strong qualities of effective school leaders and what qualities I share that affect my leadership. I am also more aware of what I can do to continue modeling ethical behavior. I feel more prepared to take what I know about my leadership style and use that to make sure I am leading effectively. And here are my references.